Welcome to Tutti Frutti Table Styling. This is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our special guest is Home by Design with Marilyn. And co-host are Eventful Living with Kay, May's Design Corner, Z9 Design, and Joyful Decor by Denise. I'm going to start by putting my table runner caddy corner down my table for a different look. And then here is my dinner plate with fruit around the edges. I've had this for a long time. It was from Pier 1 and it is Gibson hand painted. I love all the fruit with the apples, pears, and then as a salad plate or a dessert plate, I have my Lenox plate and a saucer with the matching cup. So here I am mismatching again, and I think it looks nice. What do you all think? And of course, a tea bag. This is a fruitful blend from Twinnings. I have this really pretty boxwood placemat that I'm going to use on 2 of the place settings. And that was Hobby Lobby. And then next I have this crystal wine glass from the Dollar General. And this will be a setting for 4. And here is a greenish color napkin with my gold and silver fork. So this table setting is going to have a fruity and cheerful vibe to it. Okay, next is my sunflower and daisy arrangement in a glass vase. So I'm just going to set that in the center. Next, I have these brass candle holders with a green tapered candle in it, and I'll place one on each side of the centerpiece. Next, I have this white plate with an assortment of fruit: peaches, apple, and grapes. And another white plate with bananas, oranges, apples, and another peach. So I'm going to place those at each end caddy corner on the table. Next, I have this beautiful fruit plate. I have 2 of those. And I'm going to place the one at each end. And I've got a special dessert I'll be adding to both of these. So keep watching. Okay, next I have this grape teapot that I thrifted. So I want to add this one down at one end of the table. But I think that is so unique looking. I love it. And it's a nice size as well. And then on the other side, I'm going to place a small little apple-shaped teapot. This I thrifted as well, and I have showcased it before. I think it is so cute. So here's what it's looking like so far. And I do have some more grapes that I'm just going to place around the vase. So there we go. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can decorate your table with a Tutti Frutti theme. Now keep watching because I will light the candles. And I do hope our special guest, Marilyn, likes what I created for our tablescape today. And if you would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a kind comment and a like. And a big thank you to Anna for putting these wonderful collaborations together. Now coming up is the desserts that I'm serving for today. Well, here is one. This is an apple Danish. Doesn't that look yummy? And I think it looks perfect on this fruit plate. And the other dessert is these blueberry muffins. Now the Danish and the muffins are real. These are not faux. Fresh today from the grocery store. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.